Today I'll talk about MATLAB plotting for beginners. For that I have to open MATLAB software. So this is the MATLAB software. Now today I'm not going to plot in the command window. So today I'll plot everything in new live script. So for that you have to click here, new live script. Okay, so here whatever command you will give here, so that will after running that command, so you will see the result in the right hand side. Like suppose a is equal to 2. Now if you run, so you will see that result in the right hand side. So that is the beauty of the live script. Now again I'm going to plot that plotting in MATLAB. So for that I'm taking this exercise. So exercise 2, multiply, divide and exponentiate vector and plotting. So first we have to create that vector. Like here question is given, so create a vector t is equal to t with 10 elements like 1 to 3 to 10. Compute the following quantities: x is equal to t sin t, y is equal to t minus 1 plus by t plus 1, then z is equal to sin t squared by t square. So use MATLAB to generate a plot: t against x, t against y, t against z, and include the following element in your plot: axis level, legend and title. Now here I am doing one by one. So first create a vector that is from 1 to 1. So I'm taking I'm here I'm putting one comment, so that is like that create a vector t with element like 1 to 3, something like that. Okay, so this is the comment I am putting here. Now I have to create that t. You have to use the linspace, or you can use that colon also, no issue. So t is equal to linspace, we can do that. Then it should be 1 comma 10 comma 10 elements, right? Okay, so now if I run that, you can see here, show that 10 elements here, so we will get that. So okay, so here we will getting the 10 element. Okay, so it is like that. Okay, now here I have to get x is equal to sin t. Okay, so for that, how do you do that? So we can write here x is equal to t into sin t. Now as it is a vector, so we have to put dot because it is element to element multiplication. So if we run, we'll get again that 10 element, and then sorry, we have to put like that. If you put that semicolon, you will not see the result. Okay, it is like that, you can see that result. Now next we have to create this one, y is equal to this. So here I can put like that. Okay, so that we have to, this is minus sign, then close bracket, then multiplication we have to put dot because it is a element to element multiplication, then t plus 1, this is like that, close. If you run, if I run, I will get that y element. Again I put semicolon, I will not get that. Then z is equal to something sin t square, so t to the power 2. So for that again we have to put dot, otherwise it will give error. Then or divided by t square, right? So it is divided by t square, so divided by, we have to take bracket, then t dot exponential symbol, then 2. So now if I run, we'll get that z is equal to something. Okay, so we have to put here dot again, so we'll get that z value. Now we have to plot that. So for that we can use plot command, plot plot command. Then we can put t versus x, then t versus y, then t versus z. If I put that, we'll get the plot. So yeah, this is the plot. Okay, we got that. Now if I put some marker, so it will be like that, single inverted comma, sorry, double single inverted comma, then 0, then again after that again you have to take second inverted single inverted comma, something like square s double that again. So it will be better if we put after that, that will be good. And then for here also, if I put then this, okay, we have to put comma here. Then again if I put something like this symbol, again single inverted comma, then this exponential symbol, and then if we put this comma, so if we run, we'll get this nice plot. Now for that we have to put level, so x level. Okay, so here x level is nothing but again single inverted comma, so t, and then and y level we have to put x, y, z, right? So that we can put that here. Again we have to put bracket and then single inverted comma, x, comma, y, comma, z. If we do that, we'll get the axis level. So if you see that x, y, z and t here. Now after that we can put something title. So title is title, title. Okay, so title, then we can put again here, so title is plot again plot of t against x, y, z, something like that. So we can write here, so we can write plot of t against, okay, so against x, comma, y, comma, z. If we write that and if we run, we'll see here this is the plot of t against, we can put its capital letter, it will be like that. Okay, now x level, then we can put also legend, so legend we can put that. Then again here we can put that is t versus x. This is first one legend, then another, if I can copy and then paste. So here we have to x, comma, y, and then z. If we do that and if we run, we'll get this. So t versus x, t versus y, t versus z. So now if I want to increase the line width, so for that we can also do that. So for that we have to put here line width. Okay, so again single inverted comma, line width, capital line width, width, line width, and then you have to put comma, and then you have to what is the line width, suppose 2. If we do that, if you see here, if you run, you can see, okay, there is a something, okay, this will not work. Okay, for that, so we have to do something like that. Okay, so here it will not work. Okay, I'll go another way, so that is okay. So it is like that, so you'll get that. Okay, so that plot of t against this you can do also grid on. Okay, that we can do grid on, so you can also do like that. Okay, so many things we can do. Now here, so this is the one way of doing that, that plotting. Everything actually I have done, I think axis, level, legend, title. Another way we can do that. So now here I'm doing something, so I'm putting all this. Okay, now here if I do like that, suppose line width, so this should be in single inverted comma. If I do like that, and then if I put 2, now if I plot like that, something like that, then we'll get 2. Okay, so here we have to put comma. Now if I plot like that, so here I only get one plot. Now for that we have to put hold on. If I do that, and here I want to take only this one, for that I want this one only. Okay, I don't need that 2. Okay, only this. Now if I do like that, so I have all this plot. Similarly we can put line width for every plot, here also. Okay, and then I have to put hold off. Hold off means, hold on means the first plot will be stay there and then another plot will come. So if I do like that, okay, there is some mistake, so here comma is missing. Okay, now if I do that, it is like that. Okay, so nice way, nice plot. So that way we can do the plotting. So now I think we understood how to do this plotting. Now another, so these are the one way. Now here we can also do some plot a point on a circle. Okay, so here create a column vector of theta, that is value 0 to 2 pi, take 100 points and r is equal to 1 to unit circle, and compute column vector and plot all this. Okay, now again we have to go. So we are taking another new live script file, so that is unit 8 mlx file. It will actually create .mlx file. Now if I do that, I am directly already I did that, so I'm directly taking that value and I'm pasting here. Now here if you see that, so this is theta, I'm using linspace, so 100 you can see, so 100 points. So if, and then here this is the 100 points, and then x is equal to cos theta, y is equal to sin theta, then we are using figure comment, so that will be the figure, and that plot x and y, and the line with two display in unit circle, x level, y level, title and legend. And if I run, I will see that. So this is a very good unit cycle, but it is not a perfect cycle. So if you have to put axis equal, if you do that comment, so it will be like a perfect circle. So you can see that. So that is the difference. So if you have put that, so now we can also do that even again. So I have this that comment, so we can use that. Now here another way, so here generating a plot, so x is equal to 0 to 2 pi and y is equal to sin x. Now again that also we can do very easy. So we have already, I have this plot, so we can do that. So from here we are taking another this. So here if we plot that, so first x is equal to that 2 pi. Okay, so here there is a, okay, so x linspace. Okay, so there I don't know what is the, this is the, okay, 2 pi, not 0 to 2 pi, linspace 0 to 2 pi, 20 pi into 100. Okay, so if I do like that, what is the problem? Okay, might be close, missing a, okay, so this should be something like this. Now if I do like that, if I do, we'll get, so here this is the point. So here x is equal to linspace 0 to do that, y is equal to sin x, then generate the plot x and y, land with 2, axis level, y axis level, title, then legend, then grid on. So we can get this nice plot. So that way we can, so here I'm doing three things. So one is here, so this is the things, so generating two plots, like, okay, so here we create that. Okay, so this is another plot. Okay, now here another way, another plot, generating two plots. So like one is t is equal to 0 to 2 pi, one is x is equal to sin t, y is equal to cos t. So now how do you plot that? So again axis level everything, so you can do that. So I have already written the code, I'm not wasting my time to type all these things. I'm directly put that comment here, so another mlx file. So now here, so t is the linspace, then x is equal to sin t, y is equal to cos t, then figure, then plot t versus x, and then t versus y, then time t, y level I'm just putting an amplitude, t title, sine, cosine, and legend location, so that will give the best location, and grid on and hold off. So if we run that, so here we'll get that good plot. Okay, so a good plot we can get in that in the MATLAB plot. Okay, so we can use that plot if we need. Okay, so that's the way. So I'm how to plot anything in the MATLAB. Okay, that's it. Thank you.